Hi, it's Amanda, and I just thought I'd do a little bite-sized beauty video on how to choose the right foundation colors for you. My hot tip with this is you must match your foundation to your chest, not your face. So look at my skin quickly. Quite red through the cheeks, quite blotchy and uneven. I've got some pigmentation here, but then I'm fair there, and then I'm same on the other side, quite fair through the forehead. Look at my chest. It's tan slashed, significantly sun damaged, but also I have had a little bit of a fake tan put on. So you want to match to here. That way you'll always look even the whole way through. Otherwise, if you're matching to your face and your chest is dark, or vice versa, you look like you're wearing a mask, and that is just not flattering. We just do not want that at all. So I'm going to really show you really quickly what to do. Now with online, it can be tricky. So a couple of tips with online. First of all, if it's a brand that I know really intimately, send me an email, Amanda, or just head to my website, amandaramsay.com.au. Click the contact page, send me an email, and I'll help guide you into the right color. That's one tip. If it's a range I'm really familiar with. Second tip is to have a look at the actual colors, the swatches of the colors. Most brands will show you a swatch of the color on a model. Have a look at the model's chest, because that is what you want to match, okay? So match, you look at the model and gauge from there. The third tip is ask the brand, like actually ask the brand, send them an email. If they're a smaller brand, I'm sure they'll be very happy to help you. Send them an email and ask them for their guidance. My fourth tip, and I think everyone should do this anyway, is if they haven't got access to me, is to just buy some samples. So usually when you're shopping online, you can pick the color that you think you'll be and grab a couple of extra colors, and I'll show you why. So with this foundation, okay, this is not about the brand, I just want to show you how to choose the colors. With this foundation, most people would expect that I would be a medium. Okay, this is the medium on me because I am actually fair, freckly but fair. So this is the medium. So I would get a sample of the medium. But I would also ask for the sample that is on either side of the color I think I'm going to be. That way you can test on your chest. You haven't spent a whole pile of money and got the wrong color. You can pretty confidently then order once you've used the sample. So that's an 03, see, which is more like a medium dark, but you can see it disappears into the skin. That's the color I need. So buy samples, okay? So contact me on amandaramsay.com.au and I will help guide you into the right color foundation. Have a look on the brand's website to see if they've used the makeup on different skin tones for the models, and just look at your chest and then match that to the model. What are the other tips? Get samples. Yep. Okay, so they're my little tips for choosing the right color. I'm just going to show you because I always think you should get probably 3 samples. And then this is just the light, and you'll see, yeah. See how that's really obvious on my chest. So you want the one that disappears the most into your chest. That's my bite-sized beauty tip on how to choose the right foundation, ladies, when you're over the age of 40, 50, 60, 70 and beyond. All right, you will never wear the wrong color foundation again. I hope that was helpful. Drop me a little comment below. Let me know if you found that helpful, and also if you would like a little bit of assistance and guidance in getting the right color foundation for you. Bye for now.